Most Americans start their day by accidentally flipping their aging switch to high speed. Seriously, you think you're fueling up, but you're actually triggering a massive wave of chronic inflammation before 9 o'clock a.m. Welcome to this explainer. I'm Dr. Thomas, and today we're unlocking the science of cellular aging to see how your daily breakfast routine might be completely sabotaging your biology. So, you really have to ask yourself, are you eating yourself older? If you feel sluggish, see new wrinkles popping up, or have that dreaded brain fog by noon, your breakfast isn't just making you tired, it's aging your cells 10 times faster than nature intended. Today, we're exposing the hidden dangers lurking right there in your pantry and showing you the science-backed routine to actually reverse the clock. All right, let's jump right into section 1, sugar and the glycation trap. First up, we absolutely have to talk about the glucose roller coaster. You know that seemingly innocent glass of orange juice? Yeah, it's basically a concentrated hit of fructose without any of the vital fiber to slow it down. Gulping that down triggers a massive insulin spike that causes something called glycation. This is a destructive process where excess sugar molecules literally bond to the proteins and fats circulating in your bloodstream, forming these highly harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs for short. And here is why AGEs are your skin's absolute worst enemy. When they form, they go straight for your skin's structural scaffolding. They actively break down collagen. You know, the exact protein that keeps your skin looking plump and firm. The sugar literally cross-links your collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle. This leads directly to the premature appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You are quite literally dismantling your skin's youth from the inside out. Okay, moving on to section 2, ultra-processed foods and telomere attrition. Let's zoom way in, right down to your DNA. Think about those quote-unquote healthy cereals, the morning bagels, and the classic white toast. Guys, these refined carbs are cellular arsonists. They fuel what scientists call inflammaging, this state of constant, low-grade inflammation that aggressively wears down your telomeres. Telomeres are kind of like those little protective plastic caps at the ends of your shoelaces, but for your chromosomes. If they shorten and fray, your biological age completely skyrockets, leaving you super vulnerable to age-related decline. And the numbers here are just wild. Our DNA is incredibly sensitive to what we eat. Look at the data from the Spanish Sun Project. Consuming just over 3 servings of ultra-processed foods a day nearly doubles your odds of having shorter telomeres compared to people eating whole foods. 3 servings, a bowl of sweetened cereal, a little flavored yogurt, and a piece of white toast easily hits that mark before you've even walked out the front door. So, what are the specific dietary culprits driving this DNA damage? Well, it's the usual suspects. Ready-to-eat meals, processed meats like bacon and sausage, sugary beverages, artificial sweeteners, and of course, refined carbohydrates. Together, this combo depletes your nutrients and dumps chemical additives into your gut. It's a perfect recipe for widespread inflammation that rapidly accelerates the decline of those protective telomeres. Next up, Section 3, Lipid Peroxidation and Sarcopenia. The danger of a bad breakfast doesn't just stop at your DNA or your skin. It goes right after your physical strength through a condition called sarcopenia. This is the progressive, systemic loss of skeletal muscle mass and strength that we usually associate with getting older. It is literally the #1 predictor of frailty as we age. It dictates whether you stay active and independent or become prone to falls and hospital visits. And our daily diets play a massive, deeply underappreciated role in either accelerating or preventing this muscle loss. So how exactly does a heavy breakfast destroy your muscles? It's a chain reaction. High fat and high carbohydrate combos, think donuts, sweet pastries, or a heavy fry-up, dramatically increase oxidative stress in your body. This creates reactive oxygen species, or ROS. These unstable little molecules run around and attack the lipids, the fats that make up your muscle cell membranes. This is called lipid peroxidation. Ultimately, this structural damage causes the cell membranes to just rupture, leading to cell death. You're degrading your own muscle tissue with every single bite. All right, enough doom and gloom. Let's look at Section 4, Nutrition to Reverse the Clock. To hit the brakes and stop the clock? we need to do two critical things: stabilize your blood sugar and support your mitochondria. It really comes down to a clear dietary choice every single morning. We have to shift away from those pro-aging cellular arsonists we just talked about and start embracing anti-aging fuels. I'm talking about swapping out the junk for foods packed with polyphenols, healthy fats, and high-quality proteins. Here is the exact longevity breakfast protocol used by the world's leading biohackers. Number 1. Prioritize protein. Aim for about 30 grams from things like lean meats or eggs to absolutely prevent that muscle-wasting sarcopenia. Number 2. Choose healthy fats over refined carbs. Think avocados or walnuts. These give you super steady brain fuel without that nasty insulin spike. And number 3, the polyphenol kick swap, that morning juice for organic green tea or black coffee. These trigger autophagy, which is your body's brilliant natural way of clearing out damaged, aging cells. There's a really famous saying in longevity science that hits the nail on the head: genetics load the gun, but diet pulls the trigger. Ultimately, yes, chronological aging is inevitable. We're all getting older. But accelerated biological aging, that is entirely a choice, and it's dictated heavily by what you choose to put on your plate every single morning. So remember, aging is inevitable, but accelerated aging is a choice. Stop doing these three things tomorrow morning, and you'll feel the difference in your energy by the weekend. I've actually put together a full morning longevity protocol with the exact science-backed alternatives we discussed today. You can download the PDF for free in the description below, and it even includes my top-rated supplements, like HMB, to protect your muscles as you age. Knowing the hidden dangers sitting right there in your pantry, what biological age will you choose at your next meal? If you want to dive deeper into the science of staying young, hit that subscribe button and join our community of longevity seekers. I'm Dr. Thomas, and I'll see you in the next explainer.